So today I want to talk about people's favorite figurative language, onomatopoeia, just because it is a crazy long Greek word, but it's actually very simple. An onomatopoeia is words that imitate a sound. For example, the bee is buzzing. So today I just want us to practice kind of brainstorming different onomatopoeias and then just kind of double checking and see if we are able to come up with some of the more common ones. As a poet, you would use these onomatopoeias to make your feelings about a poem either intense by giving the experience of the sound to the reader. Because you're saying the sound out loud, the reader then gets to hear what you're describing, not just only imagine. So take some time and brainstorm some onomatopoeia sounds that fire makes. I'm going to pause for 5 seconds. You can pause the video, and then I will give you my own suggestions on the next slide. So some good onomatopoeia words are crackle, sizzle, pop, roaring, and sputter. So all of these try in some way to mimic the sound of fire. Now it's not perfect because it's still words, but you can kind of hear the crackle sound of the sizzling and the p of the pop, all of that trying to work together. Okay, now let's try for water. I'll give you 5 seconds and then I'll move on to my slide. Okay, so here are some onomatopoeias for water. We've got splash, spray, sprinkle, bloop, dribble, drip, and drizzle. So depending on what type of water you're describing, you would choose a different onomatopoeia. And the last one, wind. So brainstorm, what onomatopoeias can you come up with for wind? Pause the video. In about 5 seconds, I'll go to the answers. So I got flutter, gasp, waft, whip, whoosh, whiff, whoosh again, and whisper. Obviously, there can be more onomatopoeias. Sometimes poets even make up their own onomatopoeias. You would use these in your poems to really just help your reader experience the sound. So this goes really good together with imagery. So if you're just using sensory language to describe all what's going on, sight, sound, taste, touch, when you get to sound, add some onomatopoeias. It'll make your poems a lot richer. Okay, that's all. Bye, guys.